Tomorrow is pizza day, so right now, tonight, I'm gonna make Polish for tomorrow, and this is the only secret to have a great pizza. I'm gonna show you right now. Alright, for the Polish, I have 1 gram of yeast, 100 milliliters of water, and 100 gram of whole wheat flour. Mix it and let it sit for at least 12 hours. The day after, 10 a.m., I check my Polish. It's ready to go. Look at it. It's bubbly and ready. Now I added about 40 milliliters of water, 3 to 4 grams of salt, and about 10 grams of olive oil. And of course, 100 gram bread flour. Mix, knead a bit with that spatula, and let it rest for at least half an hour. This dough is so sticky. After half an hour, with a wet hand, stretch it a bit and fold it in, and bring it on the surface. Use this technique called a stretch and fold. Just grab the dough, pull it up, stretch and fold it back. Now the dough is a little bit smoother, round it up, and put it back into the lightly oiled bowl. Cover it and let it rest for at least 1 hour. Meanwhile, we can make our beautiful sauce with cherry tomatoes, which is slightly sweeter than normal tomato. Put it into the hot water, then cold water, and easily you can peel it off. Chop some garlic and chili. Peel it off beautifully. Look at it. Awesome. And now back to the dough. Time to shape our pizza doughs. Shape the dough, round it up. You can use the surface or do it in your hands. Put it into the tray, cover it with clean sheet. Use a little bit of oil, prevent to stick the dough, and let it rest for at least 2 hours. Meanwhile, in a pot, add some olive oil plus your garlic and cherry tomatoes. Season it very well. You can add some thyme, you can add some rosemary and some basil, and try to prepare everything before you're making your pizza. Salami, pepperoni, cheese, anything you like. And after 2 hours, all right, now that we prepared everything for the pizza, time to assemble and time to shape the pizza and bake it and enjoy it. So let's make it. Okay, first method, which is suits for home bakers, you add the sauce on top of your pizza dough and bake it one time for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then add the toppings and bake it for the second time. Like so, you make sure about your crispy crust. Beautiful. Add your favorite toppings. Mine was some chorizo, you can add salami, anything you like. And bake it on an upside down tray. Look at this crust. Isn't it amazing? It's fluffy, crispy, anything we like. If you have pizza oven or your oven can reach to the higher temperature, you can use this technique. You can shape your dough like so. Look at all of that air. You just push it gently to the sides. And we add the sauce and all of the toppings and bake it for only one time on a very high heat oven. Even without a pizza peel, you can transfer your dough with the help of a board. Nothing can stop home bakers to bake a beautiful pizza. I hope you enjoy it. Subscribe for more videos.